This COVID-19 pandemic will continue to have an influence on our lives in several ways in 2022. It has a significant impact on the job market across the world. Having said that, it also has led to substantial technological transformations in the IT field. With time, new technologies are evolving, technologies that help address global challenges and make life simpler in the coming years. On that note, hey guys, welcome to yet another interesting video by Simplilearn. Today, we will be discussing the top technologies of 2022. So here's a list of new technologies of 2022 that you should watch out for. But before we begin, if you love watching tech videos, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to never miss an update. At number 10, we have robotics. Robotics is a significant industry that is gaining momentum with time. In the coming years, the field of robotics will offer a lot to the world. Amongst those, a few trends that you will witness are smart factories, the adoption of agile robotics, and cobots, to name a few. Some of the companies actively working in the field of robotics are Boston Dynamics and Universal Robots. Some of the core robotic skills you need to possess are Python, MATLAB, problem solving, mathematics, and machine learning. The robotics industry trends and objectives in 2022 will be interesting to watch out for. The global robotics market was valued at $27.73 billion in 2020 and is projected to reach $74.1 billion, growing at a CAGR of 17.45% by 2026. At number 9, we have virtual reality and augmented reality. Augmented reality blends real-world elements with virtual ones, whereas virtual reality creates an environment which is fully virtual. The potential of AR and R doesn't stop with the entertainment industry. It is also transforming several other sectors like military, sports, medicine, and education, to name a few. The top companies frequently working on augmented reality and virtual reality are Qualcomm, Samsung, Microsoft, and Apple. Some of the must-have skills for AR and VR are 3D modeling, computer vision, software development, and programming. According to Markets and Markets, the AR and VR market can reach $151 billion with a paramount CAGR of 70.4% by 2022. At number 8, we have big data and analytics. The collection of data is increasing at an unprecedented rate worldwide. Big data and analytics allows you to store, process, analyze, and make sense of vast amounts of data using cutting-edge technologies. Analysts in this domain can help every sector, be it by enhancing the quality of healthcare or by detecting fraud. The companies using big data and analytics to run their businesses are Netflix, American Express, Amazon, and Google. Some of the skills and technologies required to master big data and analytics are Hadoop, SQL, Spark, Python, and Excel. According to the International Data Corporation, by 2025, the total amount of data on the planet could reach 175 zettabytes, and global revenues from big data and business analytics solutions are expected to reach $260 billion in 2022. At number 7, we have quantum computing. Quantum computing uses the properties of quantum physics to perform calculations and simulations that would not be possible on a traditional machine. Quantum computing is not just a research experiment anymore, and instead now a tool that's changing the face of several industries, including medicine, biology, and climate change. Big names like Microsoft, Google, IBM, and Intel are in the race to build quantum computing tools. To learn quantum computing, you need to know programming, mathematics, mechanics, scientific computing, and algorithms. Reports state that the quantum computing market is estimated to reach $64.98 billion by 2030 from just $507.1 million in 2019. At number 6, we have 5G networks. We live in a world where massive amounts of data should be transmitted quickly. Not just that, currently, with an increasing in video conferencing, reliable connectivity and better bandwidth are crucial, and that's where you need 5G. According to the GSM Association, by 2025, 5G networks are estimated to have more than 1.7 billion subscribers across the globe. Few of the key participants in the 5G infrastructure industry are Samsung, Huawei, Ericsson, Cisco, and Nokia networks, to name a few. According to reports, by 2026, the worldwide 5G services market is anticipated to increase from $53 billion to $249.2 billion. 5G will also enable significant advances in IoT and virtual reality. At number 5, we have IoT. The Internet of Things is fast becoming an integral part of our lives. IoT is a futuristic technology recognized for its social and technological marvels. IoT devices are increasing by almost 31% every year. And according to reports, there will be 30 billion IoT devices by 2022. IoT has aided firms in improving customer service, streamlining operations, and increasing profits. Companies are becoming more involved in IoT. Few such companies are Mindtree, IBM, GE Digital, and Verizon, to name a few. The top in-demand IoT skills are machine learning and AI, Python and JavaScript, big data, and Node.js. According to reports, in 2017, market revenue for IoT surpassed $100 billion, and it is estimated that this amount could rise to about $1.6 trillion by 2025. Number 4, we have cybersecurity. Several organizations have fallen prey to cyber attacks, including big names like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Yahoo. The onset of the COVID-19 pandemic has served as a trigger for a rise in the number of cyber attacks across the globe. Hence, the field of cybersecurity holds paramount importance in today's times. Few of the best cybersecurity companies are Cisco, Microsoft, McAfee, and IBM, to name a few. To work in the field of cybersecurity, skills like knowledge of operating systems, networking, virtualization, and programming are beneficial. According to reports, post-COVID-19, the global cybersecurity market size is estimated to grow from $217.19 billion in 2021 to $345.4 billion by 2026. And number 3, we have blockchain. Blockchain is one of the contemporary technologies with a bright future. Currently, blockchain is revolutionizing almost every sector. Banking, healthcare, and politics are a few industries that may profit from establishing a decentralized digital ledger that monitors and saves data in several locations, making forgeries difficult. Companies that uses blockchain are HSBC, Barclays, Walmart, and Pfizer, to name a few. Blockchain developers need to know concepts like cryptography, data structures, and computer networking. Reports state that by 2022, worldwide expenditures on blockchain infrastructures are expected to reach $11.7 billion. Number 2, we have cloud services. There's a lot more to the cloud than just a robust storage solution. The year 2021 proved to be a watershed moment for cloud computing. Just like the year before, it allowed more flexibility for companies to operate in the face of COVID-19. According to IT experts, cloud computing will be at the forefront of all technologies to address significant business issues in the next few years. Few companies that have moved to the cloud are Pinterest, Instagram, Netflix, and Target. For a successful career in cloud computing, you need to have knowledge of databases, programming, Linux, networking, and APIs. According to research, by 2022, revenue from the public cloud sector is anticipated to increase to $331 billion. Finally, at the top of the list of top 10 technologies, we have artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is revolutionizing business sectors and making our lives easier by automating complex tasks and makes future predictions. AI is playing a great role in medicine, manufacturing, education, and mobility. From self-driving cars to smart devices, AI is everywhere. AI also finds its application in building robots and chatbots. Some of the top companies working on AI are Google, Microsoft, Tesla, IBM, and Facebook. Some of the skills you need to possess to become an expert in artificial intelligence are Python programming, mathematics, machine learning, and deep learning. As per Markets and Market, the global artificial intelligence market will grow from $58.3 billion in 2021 to $309.6 billion by 2026, at a CAGR of 39.7%. With so much advancement in the field of artificial intelligence and companies spending billions of dollars, there's absolutely no doubt that AI is the future. But the question arises whether AI is the greatest technology that humanity has ever seen. Well, only the future will tell us. With that being said, if you are interested in learning to create something interesting and help make a difference, check out Simplilearn's postgraduate program in AI and machine learning in partnership with Purdue University and collaboration with IBM. It covers topics like machine learning, deep learning, statistics, and NLP, amongst others. With such significant technological breakthroughs, the future appears to be brighter than ever. There's simply no stopping it. Have you heard about innovations that have been recently implemented? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for being here, and watch out for more such informative videos from us. Until then, keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn. Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.